They were the originators of the scheme. I had called them for a press conference. They knew that the forms are available. They went and took all the forms. So I am making one more lot available for those MLAs who have not received the forms. That those forms will be available to the MLAs in the first week of August. I think I am so clear. Up to now, everything clear? Third stage, 1 minute. I have not completed. Please allow me to complete. Moment the banks are finalized, because we have not started giving money, the actual payment will start after 10th of August, after the assembly is over. So banks come into picture after 10th. Moment the bank comes into picture, once they are notified, from 10th August or maybe 8th August, maybe 5th August, 5th August, somewhere around that time, the forms will be available in the bank. I have answered everything. एका दिसा आवय भुरग्याक दूध दिता पळय, 2 म्हयन्याचे दूध एकाच दिसाक दिवपाक येना तिका. तुम्ही एक गजाल लक्षात दवरा, खंयची स्कीम करता आसतना the government cannot give all things in one shot. There is a sequence required. So we are going in sequence. You will get the form in August, but after my banken फाल्यां complaint केली, तू बँकेन कोणाकडे बीजेपीची पावती मागली, जाल्यार I can't help it. बँक मागची नाची गॅरंटी आहे मरे. तुका सांगले 10 ऑगस्टा पासून before even the money is being disbursed, the form will be available in bank. कोणाक जर तू बीजेपीची पावती दिवपाची ना, let him wait for 15 days.
No. Speaker sir, 1 minute. Now when the booklet has been announced, I am coming to the central question, that a booklet will be published by so and so and it will be given to all MLAs. In this booklet, will it be very clear that MLA's signature is not required, BJP membership not required as a pre-qualification, because you cannot be first amongst equals. In the booklet, make it very clear कि तातून there is no, this is not animal farm, this is not, no animal is first amongst equal. What is being told here is exactly reenacting the animal farm, George Orwell's Animal Farm, wherein some people are more equal than the others. Make it clear in that receipt, that in that booklet, कि हो आमदार असलो म्हणून तुका मेळचे ना अशें ना म्हणून. कित्याक now honorable MLA has also brought to your notice that a political party's membership is becoming pre-qualification for this. If this is the case, then it is very bad. You may, if your ruling MLAs are taking the forms, it is all right, because they were part of it. एकूच मिनिट तुम्ही इतले वेळ उलयला, आमकां 1 मिनिट दी. आज मेरेन तुमच्या आमदारांनी फॉर्म व्हेले, ते पार्ट ऑफ द स्कीम आशिल्ले, दे वर कन्सेप्च्युअलायझिंग द स्कीम, प्रॉब्लेम ना. डिपार्टमेंट मुद्दाम सांगता की आमदारांनी फॉर्म हाडूंक जाय, म्हणटकच आमचें नांव पेड्यार करप डिपार्टमेंटाक यूज करून, तें सारकें न्ही. सेकंड, हाजे फुडें जें कितें सिस्टम तुमी जाग्यार घालतले, तातून फर्स्ट अमॉंगस्ट इक्वल्स आसतले काय ना, नासतले जाल्यार तें तूं बरयतलो काय ना, इतलेंच.
पयलीं म्हणजे डिपार्टमेंट तूं कितें सांगता पळय तें तुजें इन्फॉर्मेशन. डिपार्टमेंट अशें सांगिना. डिपार्टमेंट सांगता 4000 फॉर्म आशिल्ले पळय, ते काही आमदारांनी ते फॉर्म ऑलरेडी दे हॅव पेड द मनी एंड टेकन अवे द फॉर्म्स. पयशे जाय मरे. दुसरी गजाल,
ते म्हजें इन्फॉर्मेशन ताणें सांगिल्ली गोश्ट हांव तुमकां म्हणल्या.
आय डोंट एग्री विथ दॅट. आय डोंट एग्री विथ दॅट स्टेटमेंट. म्हणून हांवें तें कन्फ्युजन तुमचें नाका म्हणून हांवें तुमकां क्लॅरिफाय केलें की फर्स्ट विकान एकदा डिमांड जालो की ना, एडिशनल फॉर्म येता पळय ते तुमकांय मेळटले, सो दॅट इफ एनी MLA इज लेफ्ट विथ इट, देर इज नो क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट अमॉंग इक्वल हे प्रिंसिपल एनिमल फॉर्म हांवूय शिकला.
तशेंच दिसता तें.
ताजे कारण तुवें फूल आयकून ना म्हजें.
ना खरें आपल्याच सायडीन हें जाता म्हणलें तुमी. आता हाजे फुडें खरें जावप म्हणल्यार कितें, एनिमल फार्मार
आयकून ना. स्पीकर सर तो पूर्ण आयकना. हांवें कितें सांगलें तेच तांकां आकांत जाला. तांकां पळय जाल्यार बीजेपीचे आमदार खूब हे मेंबर खूब जावपाक लागले.
बिंदास कर तूं, कांय ना.
मागीर तुमी सारकें आयकना. वॉट डीड आय टेल यू? वॉट डीड आय टेल यू? हांवें म्हणना जाडे बीजेपीच्या आमदाराचे बीजेपीची तिकेट हे मागता पळय म्हणटा ताका म्हणला हांवें.
ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन.
स्पीकर सर, हांव एक गजाल क्लियर सांगूंक सोदता की हांवें तिसरो स्टेटमेंट केला ते इग्नोर करूंक सोदतात मुद्दम बिकॉज मोमेंट आय डू that everyone will be equal because the form will be available. Moment the banks are declared, bank form will be available in the bank. I made that statement.
I am not trying to not appreciate your statement on that.
No, just
आम्ही तुमको विचारतात की भाषण करपाची गरजच ना ते कोण ना म्हणत ना
विजय बाब बस.
Honorable Chief Minister, I'm not saying. See, your scheme is very good, but just now, Speaker has called my name. Honorable Chief Minister, Speaker has called my name. Just 1 minute. I want to know. You are going to print this book. Last time also we printed that book in 2006. One thing was missing in that book was where a common man, which office to go to. BDO, Mamladar. Kindly put that in that particulars. That is my request to you. That book you are going to print is very good, but common man does not know where to go and get what, where to apply, how to apply. This should be there.
Speaker sir, common man.
Yeah, we'll cut it short.
Last, I'll because this is important thing. Common man जो आसा पळय, ताका लाडली लक्ष्मी मेळटा आसतना I'm making it very clear that he doesn't require MLA's signature also. The form shows very clearly that the photograph, signature and is done in my presence. It indicates certain authenticity by the applicant. The application will be handled by Director of Women and Child when an MLA signs it or a MP signs it in a fast track mode. But if no signature is there, there will be proper investigation. So you will automatically face a delay. I have no objection. If some girl doesn't want MLA's signature on it, she can apply. The law permits her. Scheme does not say anything about MLA. The scheme does not say तुम्ही scheme वाचल्या ताजेर आमदाराचे कांयच बरोवन ना. पण आमदाराचे व्हेरिफिकेशन इतल्याकूच घेतला की आमदारान जर व्हेरिफिकेशन केलें जाल्यार फॉर्म विल बी टेकन डायरेक्टली एट अ
तेच कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो आमदार काय बायलो रेलेवंट क्वेश्चन
म्हाका कोण कांयच लागना आमदार is a responsible person and he is supposed to take responsibility of what he is verifying and signing. He has to ensure that he is signing for the person who is actually signing. Sign has been done in his presence. I assume that whether a MLA is from Panji or MLA is from Fatorda, he is equally responsible. Therefore, he can sign anywhere like Dayanand Social Security Scheme. There is no restriction on MLA, though we may expect you to sign for your constituency only.
फुडलो प्रश्न हाजेर चर्चा सोंपली. फुडलो प्रश्न श्री विश्वजीत राणे.
Sir, I would like to ask question number 6A.
Because sir, एक उत्तर दिवच्या पयलीं एक रिक्वेस्ट करता की म्हाका मातसो कफ आहा. So I may be permitted to take the cough tablets because yesterday when I took one, which technically is outside the house rule, there is a photograph published saying that I am eating sweets. I was not eating, I was taking because this. I didn't take it today because of yesterday's photograph, but I am taking your permission.
That is what they call transparency.
No, I'm making it clear. I don't eat in the house once it is in session. But yesterday it happened, so I am taking your permission. So in the afternoon session, answer reply is as per secular style. 6A you said, na?
6A.
Speaker sir, I would like to ask the Honorable Chief Minister, because there was a very old project which more than 10 years back, there was a proposal to start an oceanarium at Miramar. And the area there, from those days, has been lying vacant there. So I just want assurance from the Honorable Chief Minister related to this project, related to this land, that this land, whether it will be diverted for some other use, or will it be used for any other project, or this will be specifically reserved for any project related to tourism or under the department which it belongs to, it is specifically reserved for an ocean area where only such a project will come up, or any part of the land will be diverted for some other use? The specific question is that this land is well located and should be specifically used for some project like this, and not an inch of this land should be diverted for any other cause, because there has been an occasion when sometimes some things like this can happen. So I just want a categorical assurance from the Honorable Chief Minister in this regard.
Because sir, 1996 ga 97 an गणतरी ga 98 an हांगाचे honorable member Moin Gujono जेन्ना science technology चे minister आशिल्ले, they had signed an agreement for setting up an oceanarium here. Unluckily for Goa, concept was good, but the party which quoted and was given the order probably wanted to block someone else, and therefore they quoted. Something like that happened. They were not interested the moment they got the order. It was a defective PPP model wherein the land was given to them but nothing was being set up. So when I became Chief Minister, I was keeping track of it. Oceanarium is an excellent project there, and I was keeping track. So when I became Chief Minister, I followed all the protocol and took away the property back in the hands of government. आता ती परती घेतली, ताका डिस्पोजेस केलो, आमी परत वचपर्यंत गव्हर्मेंट गेले, परत ताजेर कॉन्ट्री ट्रस्ट एक आयलो आनी झाडां कापपाक लागलो अचानक. So again, when I was told by the neighbors that something is going on, some activity, I immediately complained. As a leader of opposition, I complained with Science and Technology, and they took prompt action, and it was realized that the original owner from whom the land was acquired was selling the plot to third party. Case has been registered. Cancellation of deed has been ordered already. It happened because government had not mutated the land in its name. Now the process is going on. Simultaneously we are going on for oceanarium project. There is a concept whether the oceanarium project should be linked with. I am again saying this is only a concept which will be discussed and deliberated, whether film festivals, festival theatre can be as a MIDI convention hall can be linked with oceanarium project. This is an idea which I floated, because ultimately there has to be film festival theatre, but a basic oceanarium project is going on, and oceanarium project will not be diverted. That will be there, whether the theatre happens or not.
Because the Honorable Chief Minister was already clarified on that point. The reason why I put this question is that such a prime location, well located for oceanarium, if you want to integrate it with also something else, is fine, you can integrate it after you discuss. But such an opportunity the state has got to develop that particular land, my only request to the Honorable Chief Minister, already clarified, is that at no cost this land should be diverted for any other project other than an integrated oceanarium project or any other project.
Absolutely. No question.
प्रश्नकाल सोंपलो.